I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how to actually make manifestation effortless. How to really make it easy, because most people, I say this a lot on my channel, like most people don't really get it, but like if you look at most of society, what they're doing is they're trying really, really hard to get what they want. I personally don't believe this is the way to manifest. My belief is that it is actually easy to get what you want, and I'm going to be sharing with you in this video how exactly to do this. So if you're new to this channel, what I want you to do is I want you to hit that subscribe button. I want you to hit that notification bell, because I do actually post a new video every single day. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, currently the only way to do so is by booking in a single session. You can book that by hitting the link that's in the description box of this video. It's also going to be in the comments of this video as well. Now, the first thing that I want to share with you in this video, which is what most people don't want to talk about and what most people don't want to hear, but I'm just going to say it anyways. To make manifestation actually effortless, in my experience, you need to be committed. You need to make a committed choice in terms of who you are going to become and what you actually want. Most people talk about don't be focused on what it looks like and be open to the infinite possibilities, and that's true. It is true to some degree, but really, in my experience, what I believe is that you can have exactly what you want, and you can know exactly what it looks like, but you need to be committed. Now, does commitment mean you have to work hard? No, it doesn't. Not necessarily. It can if you interpret it in that way. But for me personally, commitment doesn't really have anything to do with working really, really hard. That's just my belief. Commitment is about making a choice to become something and go in a certain direction. And once this happens, once you're committed in a certain direction, what you'll find, in my experience, is that manifestation becomes really, really easy, because it's only when you don't know where you're going. It's only when you're confused about what you want and your mind is going in 50 million different directions. That's when manifestation becomes hard. When you have a single pointed focus, when you know where you're going, when you know exactly what you want to create, it's interesting phenomenon how easy it actually becomes. It becomes very easy. That's just been my experience. So I highly encourage you to become committed towards your goal. Not necessarily to work really, really hard, but to be committed, to be consistent, to be focused, right? When you're focused, it's so funny, like I'm going to record a whole nother video on this, but when you're very, 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 very focused, you become very, very, very surrendered. That's the paradox. That's the paradox, right? When you become so focused, when you're so committed to the point where you're hyper focused on exactly what you want, there's an element of complete surrender that comes with that. And that's been my experience in terms of the first step to make manifestation actually effortless. Now, the second thing that I want to share with you in this video is that you must know exactly what you want. Okay? You must know exactly what you want. Not 20% like you kind of know what you want, or like just a general, like vague image of what you want. See, when you have a general vague image and you kind of know what you want, you're gonna get general vague kind of results, right? when you know exactly what you want, when you're committed in the direction that you want, when you know exactly the direction that you want to go in, right? Then you get exactly what you want, right? When you're like trusting the universe, but you're kind of hoping and like you don't have like specific intentions, and like people offer you many things and like you're like, maybe I should take this offer. Maybe I should see, when you know what you want and somebody offers you for, let's just say, a job, you will say no. You will say, I'm not interested, right? I used to accept offers from people all the time that were out of alignment with my heart's manifestation all the time. And what I didn't realize at the time is that I was really self-sabotaging myself. That's really what was happening. I was completely self-sabotaging myself. So you must know exactly what you want, okay? If you know exactly what you want, your life's gonna be a lot easier. Now, the third thing that I wanna share with you in this video to conclude, and this is gonna make your manifestation very easy, is to stop believing in other people's opinion and their beliefs. See, people have their beliefs and you have your beliefs, okay? People have their perspective and you have your perspective. And it is okay for you to have your perspective and to fully own that perspective, right? You want to stop this energy of like, God, maybe this person's right. Maybe I should believe in what they're saying. Maybe I shouldn't want what I want, right? Maybe I shouldn't want. You got to remove all of that. You got to remove that energy of like, maybe I'm wrong and maybe I should want. You want to own your beliefs to the point where you're so convicted, you're so grounded in your belief that nobody can touch your energy because you know what to say yes to and you know what to say no to, okay? Now, although these are very simple and very straight to the point, I believe that these can help you to manifest incredibly powerfully. Let me know in the comments below if that resonates for you. And with that, I conclude this video. Once again, if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, the only way to do so is by booking in a single session. You can book that by hitting the link that's in the description box of this video. It's also going to be in the comments of this video as well. As always, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you in the next video.